What's going on YouTube? First stream, let's go. Right, let's get into it. Euro USD. What do we do this week? We didn't take anything this week. We were looking at this area, but no, we didn't get our signals. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you would have known NFP was this week. That's what this candle here is. This is why we need to manage our risks. So yeah, we didn't trade anything on here. We may... Nah, we're not really interested in this pair just yet. Nice break here though. It might be a continuation to the upside. So we'll have to wait and see what happens on the following week. We have a nice bit of a trend line here. See some sort of potential buy around here to continue up, but we'll see what happens later on in the week. USD JPY. Righto. So I reckon we missed this trade, and this was just one we watched, but we missed it. We had, yeah, that's right, we had a order in, but we didn't come back down for the retest. We've actually just got our buy in here. It hasn't been triggered yet, but we've got two forms of resistance here, so it's really important. I won't go over all the detail here, guys, but yeah, definitely looking to buy in this uptrend. Still in an uptrend. So two forms of resistance. We definitely have some other confluences that we look for in trades as well. I don't know what you guys trade, let me know, but for myself I need around 4 to 6 confluences. Very important. So yeah, we're looking to go long here, but we'll see what happens this week. Once again, guys, this was the NFP and the unemployment rate. USD CAD. So we're actually in a trade here on the USD CAD. We ended up taking a small loss on here. We didn't take a full loss here. We managed our risk due to the news, which is very important, guys. That's what I was saying on the video. So we took a small loss here, and we're looking to actually, I think we're in a small position right now, too long on the USD CAD. And once again, we have good daily support here. So we've got multiple touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 2, here. So I like the look at that there. So we're looking to get a small little buy up to around this area. We'll see what happens, see if it continues down or not, but right now definitely looking at a small buy. We did have a trend line break here too, so we've got to be really careful about what we're doing. But in the overall direction, I would say it's in an uptrend, so that's what's going on the USD CAD. We did have this week a win here too, actually. That was our reversal trade. So that was about a 1.5 risk. So that was good, got that, but don't recommend doing reversal trades too often. Now, this is what I want people to talk to me about, this trade here. This is the one I went live with on the USD Swiss. I was that close to my take profit. Like I said, NFP was out, the unemployment rate, and all of a sudden, bang, the trade got taken out. I didn't lose any money on here because I managed my risk like I was saying. But I want people to tell me, was that bad management here? Should I have taken profit? Or do you think it's good risk management by letting the trade run, trying to get your full profit margin? You could take it either way. But yeah, anyone has any thoughts on that, let me know. So NFP, that's what smashed through that trade. I moved back to the downside, so currently not really looking at trading this one yet. Might look at a sell maybe at this area, but we'll see what happens later on in the week. The AUD USD, I really like this line here, this support and resistance line on the daily time frame. Potentially could see a reversal. This here is NFP again. But this week on Tuesday we've got the interest rate decision in Australia, so there could be some more moves here. So we need to watch what's going on. But definitely interested in this area to see what might occur. We could get a potential short here. Maybe looking to short down to this area here, which is the previous resistance line downtrend. Then maybe it might go back up further. So probably going to look for a reversal trade here. Later on in the week, maybe probably Monday or Tuesday, getting a bit of price action here, which is good. So that's what I'm looking for on the AUD. Similar on the GBP as well. We've just got a big trend line break on the high time frame. We were in an uptrend here, downtrend. Now we could start to see a new uptrend form. Which is good. So we see some solid price action here. So currently not really interested in trading this pair until we can see a pullback to these zones. Preferably would probably like this zone here, just because we've got multiple retests. But we do have a big swing high here as well that could potentially give us a entry, but we'll have to see what happens this week. New Zealand USD, kind of a similar to the AUD. Not too much going on this pair that I'm interested in. Just going to skip this one, and I'm going to skip this one too. I missed a trade here this week as well. But that's alright, that happens. We are back to the Euro USD. We did take a couple of losses this week. I think it was maybe 2 losses. 2 losses. I think we had about 2 wins, 1 break even. And the importance on that is risk management. So even though we had 2 losses, we had a win which cancelled out our loss, and the second loss we had was only a minor loss because we reduced our risk because of the NFP. So even though we had more losses this week, it was still a profitable week, and we saved our capital. And at the end of the day, saving our capital is probably the most important thing, and managing how much loss you take. So overall, still a good week, still in the green. But we're staying positive, and we'll see what happens this week. And let me know, guys, what you guys are doing, what you're looking at, any trade ideas and setups. Like I said, I'm interested in talking to people, seeing what's going on. Yeah. You can see the power of the reversal trades here. Took this one, I think, 2 weeks ago. Got in, got out, around up here. But if you could hold it, look how much potential you can make. But Alright. That's it for tonight. And we will be back better than ever on Monday.